What's up, guys? I'm going to be showing you a 3D printer right now. Yeah, that is what we're printing.
Yeah, we're going to do something with it.
Yeah. So we are making a C.
Yep.
There's a low so you can see it better. Here, watch out. That is a 3D printer right there.
Cool.
Bright orange. If you can, let me zoom in there. Oh, see. Alright.
Really cool.
Yeah. So that is all I'm going to show you. That is the end of the video. It's pretty short, but
yeah. That's really cool.
Yeah, this is what it is right here.
That's what it's printed.
Yes. So you can just go over here if you want. The back side. See? Pretty. And that's the upper part.
It's really cool.
And we will show you how to do this in the next video. Bye!